Estamos casi que terminando.
Hi, thank you for clicking. We, Victor and Pedro, are dedicated to do this boat build. We spend as much time we can on this project. Please stay with us, subscribe, and come back to view new videos and see our progress. Before we start with today's video, we would like to do a very short presentation of the first boat project. This boat is called Wooden Shoe 23 and is a wood-down east-based boat for cruising and family boating. Seaworthy and stylish. This is perhaps the ultimate development of the small powerboat. It's got it all: shapely, cold-molded hull, smooth riding bottom, deep, dry cockpit, roomy, comfortable cabin with galley, and a fuel-sipping, safe diesel engine. And it's easily trailerable. Now, let's start today's video with lifting up the fourth boathouse truss. Josue is preparing the rope for stopping the truss for tipping over. Today this showed to be important, as you can soon see. Together we move the truss to good position for lifting up. As you can see, the truss is heavy. Now let's lift it up. It takes all forces we have to lift it up to a horizontal position. Lifting up to vertical position with help of a ladder and a long tree branch. Here, it suddenly happened. The truss started to tip over. Roca came fast to help secure the truss, and we could drag it back. As usual, a small sideways adjustment. Victor just laid the temporal frame to hold the truss.
Estamos casi que terminando. Ya nuestra estructura ahora sí está bastante bien amarrada. Nos faltan algunos puntos de sujeción que identificamos. Vamos a trabajar sobre eso el fin de semana. Y yo creo que ya el lunes estamos montando la próxima. Es decir, hoy es viernes, el lunes que viene estamos ya subiendo la quinta y probablemente hasta la sexta. Hasta entonces nos estamos viendo. Muchas gracias.
Suscríbete.